I am less embarrassed.
Tell me what embarrassment you have told.
Because then I really have been embarrassed.
Because you say so.
Is that one when I was little, got lost in shopping center?
Seriously? Tell me how that happened to you.
We have to view a new car. The one have transport.
You're right. That's insane.
Are you okay? Where are your parents? Why are you free? Did something happen? Don't worry, we will fix it.
I can feel my parents. I was before I entered the store. And the day I came on the way we go.
I have a lot of children who are with me. What is your name? How are you?
I am Anna and you're 6 old.
Parents of and 6 are here. Please go to security in your bed.
Hello, I'm Juan.
Dad, where were you?
We were checking prices at the store and then we lost sight of you.
Sorry, I don't want to scare you. I want to scare you when I don't see you.
We were worried, we were looking for you. You showed like we could worry. Your mom is going to scold us, and you too. I think it's best not to tell her so we don't worry her.
It's fine.